We know we love giving health updates and ways to maybe help you. This next guest has got some ways to help you and your spouse or partner possibly reconnect. Let's go ahead and bring into the show today Miles Broadhead from South Bay Medical Clinic to tell us more. Good morning, Miles. How are you?
Good morning. It's great to be here.
I'm glad we get to talk about this one because as the more I learn from you, the more I learn that this affects many people out there, but a lot of people don't want to talk about it.
30 million men and 71% will not get treatment because I think the stigma is out there. Men don't like to talk about this. They don't like to talk about that area in general, but we have to bring this to the forefront because if you're in a relationship, that relationship is probably suffering for lack of intimacy. We've only had the pill for about 30 years to go to. It only masks the symptoms, tons and tons of side effects, and let's be honest, it's a chemical. Now we have a technology to treat erectile dysfunction, and I'd love to tell you about it if that's okay.
Absolutely. Dive right in. Let people know what that they can expect when it comes to this. Because like you said, most people, living with this in silence.
Absolutely. So, gentlemen, pay attention. You can get rid of the pills. It's only masking the symptoms. What we have is a technology called acoustic wave therapy. The machine itself sort of looks like a small ultrasound machine. It's placed on the skin where gentle pressure waves travel through the skin into the blood vessels, causing them to expand to allow for more blood flow and oftentimes repair themselves. More blood flow makes for better results in the bedroom. And the good news is you could be looking at an end date to your ED.
Okay, let's talk about side effects. And I like that you said ED because actually you're treating the problem instead of just masking it, which I've been able to learn sometimes some of the treatments, that's all they do.
That's pretty much it. I mean, aside from the long recovery times of surgery, the needles, the pill with all of its side effects, and that's the other thing about the pill, no spontaneity. You have to stop action, grab a glass of water, wait for a pill to kick in. The moment's probably passed at that point. We're getting rid of all of that. We're making sure that we can treat it in a few treatments. Most men are responding in about 2 to 4. So realistically, by the end of the month, you could pick up that bottle of pills and throw it in the trash.
And then, of course, the side effects dealing with this or how many treatments would a patient need to see so that they can see results?
So again, 0 side effects, about 15 minutes in our clinic. Typically, you'll spend more time in the car. Men are responding through the clinical data. We've shown in about 2 to 4 treatments. I mean, again, there's no one size fits all solution to this, but the majority of men are responding in about 2 to 4 treatments and they're done. They don't have to come back in. It's not a subscription service. It's not going to the pharmacy all the time. We just want to help you get that intimacy back into your relationship.
And we're sharing your phone number and website on the bottom of the screen. I know there's plenty of studies on the bottom of your screen as well. If you check out the website, you also have a special offer too, right?
That's right. Pick up the phone, or hey, if you're a spouse listening and you want some help for your man, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'll include the exam, the assessment, and the blood flow ultrasound, all for free. Plus, we have an additional gift. It provides powerful results in the bedroom. We're going to give that to you free as well. All you have to do is give us a call right now.
Thanks, Miles, for your time today. We appreciate it.
It was a pleasure. Thanks for having me.